Hey everyone, if you're new to Zoho CRM and wondering how to add leads, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to create a new lead so you can start tracking potential customers right away. First, sign in to your Zoho CRM account. After you reach the dashboard, look at the left or top navigation menu and open the Leads module. Next, click the Create Lead or Add Lead button. This will open a form where you can enter information about your new lead. Now, fill in the required details. Enter the lead's name, company, email address, phone number, and any other information you'd like to save. You know, the more accurate your details are, the easier it will be to manage your sales pipeline. If needed, assign the lead to a specific sales representative, choose the lead source, and add tags or notes to help organize your records. Once you've reviewed the information, click the Save button. So your new lead will immediately appear in the leads list, where you can edit, follow up, or convert it into a contact later. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully added a lead in Zoho CRM. You can now manage your prospects, schedule follow-ups, and keep your sales process organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.